waiting like the thing, oh let we enjoy and forget it down.
We are power, we should not put up. Una do na saradio na kusha na freedom.
So waiting like the thing, oh let we enjoy and forget it down.
We are power, we should not put up. Una do na saradio na kusha na freedom.
Welcome to you all on my channel. I just want to give you some 1, 2, 3 see them. You say, pay attention, waiting LSG the right. LSG, you know, we artists that will get in Sierra Leone. They say we are the most focused. We are more focused and more than determined in taking Sierra Leone music as a whole to a different level this time around. Our main goal is for us, is for our melody to be heard at the four corners of the world, and by His grace, we shall do that which is right for our fans and industry and for our country. I'm really happy for that LSG, except they be giving. They say them. They never work on something, so they left the post to make you watch and tell me what you think. So you see, they say they want make the music hit the whole world. For corner, not that they me they happy for. That they can artists they me they glad. I want list, you know, also for dinner the country, you they cause trouble, you they make noise, you they cause goodness, deep and politics business. Then we need awareness song, you know, sing for the people way. So all about I can so feel way I can see them Davido, the other artists them bobo them Nigeria where they move, you know, you see them about politics, business? No. Because for the I see put up about politics, we not to you say not to politics. Now music they sing, not to politics like MRC, no. Like you know to any when they call song they sing. Enough entertainment for entertainment, then you put on we make say put on politics, you say then what say put on politics no need say like they take side with the APC or the SAPP, no, not to that name. But for the mere fact that you don't take be involved by politics business, my brother, it's a problem. So you see, so like now that we artists there for grow. And I feel proud and happy, you know, even with the chat with some, you know, some outsiders then, we feel happy. So, thank you for watching. This one, it look funny somehow, but it's not funny again. This one they go to our able boss LA, you know, boss LA in saga about in the police them. So some of the company they really sympathize with them, you know, what they do. So boss LA, you know, really go down well with some artists them. Now I can show you this one where Cool J talk about, you know. When you say like it really don't nice, so I sound like so now entertainment because they're not artists them, so they can do the all kind of way, treat the all kind of way, this that, you know, fine, you know, this not that, it talk a lot, you know. So I left the video for you to watch it. Tell me what you think. It's guy for talk about. Let me see what in the happened. You know, nobody know the way we fair to artists. Of course, you know for say they get union. So I believe for say if Cool J, if you register, or let me say if the post register, I still therefore no matter where they for talk about as the artist union. That's provided if you register, if you join the artist union, because if you not join, I don't know if they will talk for you. So that they post this, and at this way, waiting Cool J say. So tell me what you think about this particular word here. You know, I believe for say most of which
big up to many people that man Cool J here, alright. So I see a lot of people then they go through say LA and pass, a lot of even some entertainers talking about that man pass, where we all get passed. Everybody, even you, they talk about that man, you self get passed. And but we always, just because of we not a public figure, and everybody come and just say, oh, you know, now we all know how they see more, but most of them get even worse pass than us. You know what I mean? But it's so sad. It's so sad. People are not talking about the current situation where they are in now. Talking about how them beat them, how them cutting here. People are talking about that man pass. I want you understand. What goes around, comes around. Human being, you need to forget that type of I'm hot today for another human being. But for you to talk about that man past, what that man doing still to suffer now, and you only focus on them past, you can't condemn the situation where they happen now. It's a shame, man.
We sympathize with although not to die, but that you is sorrowful. Let me say it's somehow funny. Someone they look at, someone they laugh. But anybody will laugh at the comment section below. I delete you. You know where the babu was. I didn't show you where the babu, but I didn't show you. You know when you copy artists in the comments. Thank you for watching. This one again, they go to one of we brother. Goes by the name John Dio. John Dio say only a woman that met and married her husband as a virgin has right to demand that he remain faithful to her. Some of you enter your marriage with multiple body counts to the extent that you slept with married men. So thought you married was a safe haven for you. Yes, now so some we don't beat. We don't married now. If you to say because of you don't married, in sinless, you not commit. Una dey boyfriend girlfriend business now. Now don't commit. Now God dey against. Now God go for kill. Now so they can think. But anyway, the ways of men, not the ways of God, or the way we can think, not so God can think. And that's how make we know. So that day we brother say, what do you think about this particular, statement here we brother make? So now they write up and they tell me what you think. Tell me take, what now you take. Thank you for watching. Again, they go to one of the artists, our artist Davido, a bigger program, New York City. If you see how the fans they celebrate, if you see how they glad for her, not so like we artists they now they pamba babu. So they celebration. So they glad if you see the place flop. Why? Meanwhile, they pamba some of we producer the artists there, so I don't understand why other people in their own country, the artists they go before. Now for watch, and tell me what you think. Please see how the place flop. This is happen. Now a show in New York City back home, with man and lady. Watch and tell me what you think. Pay attention. A funeral mass was held on Friday for the victim of terror attack on the St. Francis Catholic Church. That is Odu State, that's Nigeria. So like they be don't post them really, but not today they bury it today Friday. Yes, where they be get a attack now church service done, then get a attack. about 20 something people there wey dem find out for say dem die. Yes, wey e don be really easy inside church the house of God. You know, na today they don lay them to rest. They are now they photo them this way they see and you scream. Tell me what you think about this particular video or about the particular terrorist attack. You know, now church back then do am. So I left a video for you, make you watch and tell me what you think again. Please don't forget subscribe.
Here in our local government area of Ondo State. And here you can see we are having the funeral mass for the victims of June 5, 2022 attack on St. Francis Catholic Church, Owaluwa Street, in our local government area of the state. It will be recorded that 40 people were recorded dead during the attack, while several other people recorded varying degrees of injuries. When the gunmen attacked the church on June 5 while Mass was going on. Here we have the governor of Ondo State, Oluwarotimi Akeredolu, SAN, and other top government functionaries present here to grace the occasion. We also have here relatives of the victims of the attack. They are here to pay their last respect to their loved ones. After this funeral mass, the remains of the victims shall be taken to Emurele Road here in Norwalk for mass burial. However, Punch reliably gathered that
Subscribe. If you want more content, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.
Viva Africa! Good morning, Sierra Leone. Good morning, Liberia. Good morning, Ghana. Ghana Musenge, Ekine. Ekaro, Nigeria. Umuki, Zaria. Bonjour, Abidjan. Damuga, Senegal. Damuga.